Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to take a look at Lagenio A11 Pro. Here in the back are the specifications. We have a 6.7-inch display. We have an octa-core processor, a 50 megapixel rear camera, an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, a battery of 5150 milliamperes. This is the website of the phone. The price is 189 euros and you have fast EU shipping. This is the phone itself. We have a user manual. We have a warranty card. This is the charging brick, the EU version with a Type A input. We have a SIM ejection tool and a Type C to Type A charging port. This is the phone itself. It comes pre-installed with a gel skin case. Here on the back we have a dual camera setup. This is the LED flashlight. Here on the side we have the power button and the volume buttons. Here on the left side we have the SIM tray. And as we can see here on the logo, the SIM tray has 2 slots for SIMs and 1 slot for an SD card. Here on the bottom we have the headphone jack, a microphone, Type C charging port and a speaker. I don't know if you guys can see it, but the phone comes pre-installed with a screen protector. We have a cutout here on the case for the power button, as it also serves as a fingerprint sensor. We are on the home menu now. Let's go to settings, about phone. The phone has a configuration with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It comes equipped with the Unisoc T7250 processor. The display is a 720p LCD display. Let's go to display and check the refresh rate. You have the option here for the cutout to go dynamic island. RAM expansion. We can add another 16 GB of virtual RAM. So in order to do that, we need to activate and reboot. Now that the phone has rebooted, we have the RAM activated. So 8 GB of actual RAM plus 16 GB of virtual RAM. This model started its life on Android 15. Now let's check the camera. Here we have the toggles. We have the 50 megapixel. We have video. Let's check on video size We can record up to 1080p with 30 frames per second. We have more, and here on more we have Pro, time-lapse, audio note, QR code, and night. We have panorama, portrait, photo. Pre-installed with the phone comes Easy Launcher. This is mainly used for elders. So if you're buying this phone for an elder person, I would recommend using this launcher. To exit, we just go to settings and hit exit mode. We have tool bag, and here on tool bag we have compass, sound meter, etc. Yeah, we have a bright LED flashlight. I don't know if you guys can actually see it on the camera, but it's very bright. And before I end the video, let me just open YouTube, test the speaker, and check the viewing angles. So yeah, that was the viewing angles and the speaker. Now, if you are interested in purchasing this phone, I will put the link in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.